My Openroad 90-degree awning came today. Let's see what we have here. Packaged very nicely. Heavy duty brackets. These are really, really beefy mounting brackets. User manual. Nice heavy duty zippers. Packing was great. No damage. Accessory kit. Let's see what all's in here. Oh, it looks like it does come with the LED light strip. Mounting hardware and even wrenches. Wow. The back has an aluminum mounting channel that the hardware will mount into so that you can take it off fairly quickly. I'm mounting this on a 2025 Subaru with Yamaha Aerobars. The first thing you need to do is remove the end cap and then start sliding the bolts in, depressing the rubber piece, and I'm going to add a little bit of soapy water as a lubricant. The problem I had with the install is the bolts that they provided will not stay firm in the Aerobar slot, so you have to wedge a screwdriver in the little hole there to keep the bolt from spinning. Other than that, it works fine. I had large Yakama Aerobars on my Subaru, and I need to cut off about 3.5 inches so that the roof rack would ride closer to the side of the car. The problem with the Yakama racks and the hardware provided can be demonstrated here. The bolt won't lock in the channel properly. I finished with my install of my Openroad 90-degree awning. It's on Yakama Aerobars that were 60-inch. I cut 3.5 inches off either side so that it wouldn't hang off too far on the side of the car.